Right next to Andy Brass is a gentleman that hails out of Kill Devil Hills, North Carolina in the Macabre Monster. He lets his drive and do the talking, albeit he knows how to run at the mouth as well. Ladies and gentlemen, Dennis Anderson and the Grave Digger! Ladies and gentlemen, Dennis Anderson and the Grave Digger! Anderson should be well rested after a trip over to Hawaii a couple of weeks ago. Anderson, 4 years running, the champion here in Salinas. Out of Kill Devil Hills, North Carolina. 27 inches of travel. If you're down along the front row, I hope you brought your running shoes. Salinas, are you ready for the Grave Digger? Dennis Anderson out of Kill Devil Hills, North Carolina. 1950 panel wagon. Lining up against the Pirate Pete. Who's pulling for the Pirate Pete?